Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I think I sounded so country just then. Hey y'all. I don't know why I said it like that. Anyway, y'all, today I am finally doing Flamin Hot Cheeto fried wings. Oh my god, y'all, I've been waiting to do this recipe for the longest. I don't know what took so long, honestly, but I think I didn't want to try it until I was actually doing a mukbang. So I'm very excited. I am so excited. Okay, I got my wings, I got my fries, and I got some Zack sauce. Y'all don't talk about me because I love my Zack sauce and my fries. And I got some ranch. I got my water here, and y'all, I'm so hungry. I don't think I ate since this morning, so I'm probably finna kill this. Okay. Oh God. Okay. So let me go ahead and say my grace because I'm finna go in. Okay. Lord God, just thank you for this food. Thank you for nourishing, letting it nourish my body. I pray that there are no impurities with the food that I did make, and I just really hope it's so good because I've been waiting to try it. In your son Jesus' name I pray, Lord, amen. Okay, so y'all, don't talk about my chicken because the air fryer kind of killed it a little bit, but y'all, this looks so good. Can y'all see? Can you see it? Oh my god, it looks so good, y'all. It was looking so good when I was making it. I was like, oh my god, these gonna be so bomb. They're not as hot because I let them cool down, but okay, let me see. Let me just try it by itself first. That's very different. Very different taste. When I was doing all the seasonings for it, I did try well, it's good. I did put a cayenne pepper in there. I mistaken it for the paprika, and I put so much cayenne in there, y'all. I was like, my mouth gonna be on fire. But it's really not that bad. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It's really not. So I'm very happy with that. Okay. Try this ranch. It's very nothing. But it's so good. I know I've seen people who do this, and I've heard someone say if they wouldn't do it with the Flamin' Hot Doritos because it's too spicy. I think I would. I think I definitely would try. It's like, this is spice. It's like a kick of spice. It's not like it's overwhelmingly spicy. Nothing I can't handle. But it's really good though. Yeah. Zack sauce is. I don't eat the little reared ends on fries. I don't know why, I just don't. It's really weird. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited I'm finally trying this, y'all. These are bomb. They're so much better than I thought they were going to be. I don't know what I thought they were going to taste like, but This is definitely good. I had a friend of mine who used to do the same thing I did. I think she did or her dad did. I don't know. But she used to call the little weird ends the bones. I thought it was weird. Excuse me. She don't eat the bones. If it's not a flat, soft, round end, I'm not gonna eat it. I don't know why. Mm. Mm. Definitely making these again. And y'all, chicken's one of my favorite foods. I know how to eat some chicken, so don't be coming for me talking about I'm eating all the bone. I'm sucking the gristle off of it. I am. I love chicken. It's so good though. Mm. Okay. Mm. I'm done with that one. I don't think I got a lot of see that, y'all. They toasted so much, almost a couple, like one side I think I toasted it longer than the other side, well, in the air fryer. So it does look a little crazy on one side, but look, y'all, it looks so good. It don't matter. I'm gonna tear it up. Mm. Mm. Put the bones in the corner. Y'all, I am gonna talk, but I'm so hungry. Give me just a second, y'all. Like I said, I didn't eat since this morning, and I have a slight headache. Normally it's a lot worse if I don't take, if I take forever to eat, but I do have a headache. Mm. And shout out to Tosh Point Pro. This is where I get that recipe from for my Flamin Hot wings. I'm so mad I didn't think about it when I was at the store, because I could have gotten those pickles. Wanted to try the pickles, but I didn't even think about it, yo. I was like, dang. As soon as I got home and I was thinking about it, I was like, shit, I should have got the pickles. It is what it is. I can try it next time though. But we're going with this recipe. Mm. Mm. One thing I can say, it definitely gets messy. When I was making it, it was really messy. I mean, it was just more messy for me, but it was messy. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Mm. Mm. I'm piling up right there. Hold on. Alex fingers around here, baby. Now I use a paper towel. I just lick my fingers if I do. And y'all, shout out to my dog. He is not whining today. I'm so proud of him. I'm surprised he's not whining. He was like right before I pressed record, but I guess he got it together. I think he's gonna go to sleep now. He was out for a while. Mm. Come on, open. Excuse me. There we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to do something really quick. Apparently, I haven't had my mic on the whole time. I'm sorry. I know y'all can still probably hear me, but hopefully this is going to be better. I did get a couple of things that I wanted to use for enhancing, like the video, the recording, the sound, stuff like that, you know what I mean? So hopefully this works. You guys let me know what you think, if it's better or whatever, you know. Excuse me. I think I like the crust on the outside better by itself, and I like the chicken on the inside with the ranch. Like, I like the crust by itself because I feel like I can taste the breading better. You know what I mean? As opposed to if I put it in the ranch, it's like it takes away. But in my opinion, each his own. Compare. What are you guys? What are you guys gonna be up to today? It was a great day today. I know it's the 15th. Is it the 15th? 15th, 16th. What? It's the 15th. It's the 15th. I know almost everybody that I know on social media or that was on my feeds, they got their stimulus checks today. So if you guys got your stimulus checks, let me know what you think. What are you planning to do with them? Because I'm not gonna lie, some of mine have like, that's what I used because I don't want to touch my extra money. So this is what I used some of it. Definitely didn't use all of it because a lot of it's going into savings. Anyway, some of it definitely went to a new air fryer that I use for these. And my equipment that were, the pieces that I did buy. So I'm excited about that. But, I mean, it's extra money, you know what I'm saying? what y'all gonna use it for? And I have to say, I was quite frustrated that on, going down my timeline, excuse me, going down my timeline, there are a lot of people talking about, oh, what am I supposed to do with, a little $1,200 and all this other stuff. And I was sitting there like, but it's free. It's money that's given to you that you didn't have to work your ass off. Well, you kind of did, because, I mean, let's be realistic. This is money that we've all worked for. I really think they deserve to give us more, but whatever. I don't understand why people are always like, but they don't want to take a handout. I understand you want to be independent and say you got it on your own. I got it out the mud. Some people, whatever. Cool. Boom. I get it. But I don't know. My logic is just different, because I'm like, who wouldn't want extra money? Who cares how much it is? And people are downplaying it like, oh, it's only $1,200. I'm like, bro, come on now. It's $1,200. Yeah, I understand a lot of people may make it seem like they got so much more money. That's cool. Boom, do your thing. We all trying to get there. But what I'm saying is, like, don't downplay it like it's nothing. It's clearly something. Or something that's going to help. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on now. But whatever. Like I said, a lot of mine is going to, my saving. And if I do spend some of it, it's going to go towards something that I need. You know what I'm saying? Like, maybe towards a bill, maybe towards, like I said, some equipment. I cut hair when, life is normal, when we're not quarantined. So I'm going to put some money towards getting some new clippers, because I've been definitely looking at those fabulous ones. But whatever, Hold on, you guys. One more second. All right. Sorry, y'all. I'm back. I don't know. I'm sorry. Keep having to do stuff. But, yeah, like, I don't know. That's just a little funny to me. Like, it bugs me a little bit. Now, who cares what anybody else does with their money? I can't tell you what to do with your money. I don't judge nobody. But I just feel like it's so, funny. A lot of people are like, oh, they don't need it. It's nothing. It's not enough. What you supposed to do with that? And I'm just like, bro, it's extra money. Come on now. You're going to spend it. That's what you're supposed to do with it. Like, let's be serious here. Anyway. Whatever. What is this up? Yeah, I see him. But yeah, I was just like, yo, don't be a downer for everybody. You know what I'm saying? Like, let people enjoy their money. And if you don't want it, send it to my account. Cash at me. Like, let's be honest. Like, come on now. You don't want it, you can honestly just send it to me. I saw someone on their thing, I was reading the people on my timeline. They were like, one person was like, I'm not even gonna spend it. I'm like, bro, you're gonna spend it. Like, who doesn't spend extra money that's given to them that you didn't have to ask for? Come on now. Whatever. Especially right now, in a time where so much crap is going on. It's such a serious time, and a lot of people have lost their jobs, and they're having to depend on something. I just think it was kind of cool if we actually getting looked out for a little bit. I'm not saying that, it's just like the best thing ever, but it's at least a little, you know what I'm saying? But whatever. My logic. Told y'all I was hungry. I am hungry. I know I just like started on that one and didn't finish it, but I completely forgot I started on this one, so I'm gonna finish this one, then I'll get back to that one. Y'all be alright. Sorry. Okay. Back to this one. But yeah, like I said, you know, I just don't think it's so cool for people to just, you know, down that. I guess it's not okay. So this light that I bought for my camera, I'm noticing it's not definitely the best one, I guess, because it won't let me be great. It keeps going out. I'm sorry. That's what I keep having to do, you guys. Sorry. Try to make sure the lighting is good, but this video won't last too much longer. I don't know if I said it or not, but shout out to Tosh Point Fro for her recipe on how to make these bomb wings. I expected myself to eat these so much, like more than I am, but I guess I waited too late to eat, so now I'm getting kind of like full early or quick. I don't know, whatever. And I also think it's because I'm eating and talking. Maybe it's taking me too long to eat. I don't know. I wonder who came up with the idea to do this, like hot fry or hot chips on food. Who came up with that? That was, I mean, not that it was a bad idea. It was a good idea. It's good. I was just wondering, like, really, we had to have been really bored to be like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna crunch these chips up and put them on my chicken. Like, I don't know. Whatever. It's good though. So kudos to whoever did come up with this idea. Like I said, good idea. Good idea. Excuse me. Yeah, I think this is my last one. Mm. 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 Okay, this is good. I'm gonna do another one of these. I might do lobster. I heard the lobsters were really good, or shrimp. I don't know, but I haven't found the big prawns. Like, I haven't been able to find those. I really want to do those, so I think I'm gonna keep looking for those and maybe do that with the lobster one day. Um, Flamin' Hot fried lobster and shrimp. I might do that. I'm gonna see. That is good. Okay. That's all in my teeth. Okay. Y'all, that was good, but I am so freaking mad. I'm full already. Like, I planned on killing all. I wanted none to be left, but my body was not letting me do that. So, sorry, y'all. So, hold on. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get that checked out because I'm not feeling how that light is constantly going out. Anyway, y'all, okay, I'm full. Hopefully my headache goes away very soon because I waited freaking forever to eat. I didn't eat since way early this morning. I think it was like maybe 10 or 11 maybe that I ate. And after that, like a little bit after we got out and we, ran some errands. But y'all, I haven't ate since then and my face is kind of warm. Oh, come on, headache. I gotta probably take something. Anyway, y'all, okay, let me know what you think of this video because it was definitely fun to make. It was fun to get the whole thing going, you know what I'm saying? Like the chips and the freaking recipe that I followed. I was so anxious, so excited, y'all have no idea. But oh man, I have a good idea for my next one. I can't wait for y'all to see it. Let me know what you think about this one. Leave some comments, leave some ideas. Let me know what you want to see. Like I said, introduce me to, or introduce yourself. Like, let me know who you are. Like I said before, I'm Ari. I keep saying I'm gonna get more in depth about who I am. We'll get to that eventually. Like, don't worry about that. We'll get there. But yes, let me know what you guys think. I'm excited to continue doing this. I'm excited to see what everybody likes. If you like it, hopefully you like me. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, let me know what you think. Leave a comment, subscribe, and like my video. Make sure you hit the like. Watch the whole video. Yeah, I hope everybody enjoys it, really, because I enjoyed making it. I enjoy eating. Like, who doesn't? You get to eat on camera. It's cool. Anyway, yeah, you guys, let me know what you think. I know I keep saying that over and over again. I think it's because it's my first time, so I really don't know what to say to end. So it's like that awkward situation when you get off the phone with somebody, you're like, okay, well, I guess I'll talk to you later. Yeah, girl, okay, that's fine. All right. Talk to you. And like, hang up the damn phone. All right, y'all, I'm gonna hang up the damn phone. Just kidding. See you guys on my next video.